Hi there. This video here is just about how to create a pitch circle diameter, or PCD, or otherwise just dissecting a circle into six equal parts. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got a circle with a point in the middle that was used to create the circle. And the first step is just to using the circle, draw a line through the center, making sure that it goes straight through that center point as well. And what that's going to do is that's going to create 2 points on either side that are precisely opposite to each other. And now, using the compass, if we set that to the radius of the circle, and we put a mark on either side, from the top and from the bottom, it's going to mean that this middle mark is going to be very, very close to correct because you're breaking it into thirds. Anyway, and so go from the top and then from the bottom. That's going to be what it needs to be. All right. So occasionally there might be a little bit of adjusting need to be done to that because pi is 3.14, not 3. But anyway, if you're just kind of mathematically, if you're just roughly working this out to get a approximation, this works really well just to create 6 points. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you can make adjustments from there. That is your initial 6-hole PCD. Excellent. Cool. Thank you. I hope that's been helpful. Cheers.